G'day, I'm Greg. Welcome to the shed. 5-minute workshop safety hint. If you're like me, you don't have enough power points. My problem is the power point I don't have enough of is 3-phase. My 3-phase power point is in my original shed, which is next door. Let's get this in my original shed that's next door. Which means I've got a 30-metre power cord going in here. Now, I'm not going to walk out one door, down to the other end of the shed, come in the end door, go to my power point, turn my power point off to plug and unplug a 3-phase machine when I have a 3-phase machine here, 1, 2, 3 more 3-phase machines over there. It's a pain in the Khyber Pass. So, how do you get round it? 3-phase in Australia is 415 volts, 20 amps. It'll blow your legs off if you're having a good day. There is an RCD in this, incidentally, the circuit, but I don't want to check how good it works. So what did I do? I got someone to make me a power point. My extension cord comes in the back of it. I turn the power off on the front of it. I can now connect and disconnect a dead power lead. 5-minute safety hint. Why not do it? Makes life a lot safer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.